Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify transaction history in PayPal for disputes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your transaction history in PayPal for disputes, start by logging into your PayPal account. Use your registered email address and password to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Activity tab at the top of the page. Click on the Activity tab to view your recent transactions. In the Activity section, you will see a list of all your transactions. To filter your transactions, use the Date Range option on the right side of the page. Select the specific date range that covers the transactions you want to review. You can also click on Advanced Filters to refine your search by type, status, or payment method. Scroll through your transaction list to find the specific transaction you want to verify. Once you find the transaction, click on it to view more details. This will provide information such as the transaction ID, payment status, and more. If you need to download a copy of your transaction history, look for the Statements option on the left side of the page. Choose the Custom option for a more tailored report. Select your desired date range and transaction types, then click Create Report. After the report is generated, you can download. This will give you a detailed overview of your transactions, which can be useful for dispute purposes. To initiate a dispute for a specific transaction, return to the Activity tab. Click on the transaction you wish to dispute and select Report a Problem from the options. Follow the prompts to file your dispute, providing necessary details as requested. This concludes your step-by-step guide to verifying transaction history in PayPal for disputes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.